Today, we're going to work on 3 different types of problems. Each of these problems you're going to have to look at to decide what the question wants you to do. That's right, the question wants you to do something, and you're going to have to use your eyes and your mind to decide which one you are supposed to do. There are 3 types of questions. The first type will look like this. It will just have 2 numbers. There's nothing else. If you see a problem with just numbers and nothing else, it wants you to draw it. Let's draw out this problem. Take a look at my example. I had 8 and I drew out 8 blue squares. The next other number was 5. So I drew out 5 red squares. It might be helpful today to have more than one color available to you. After drawing it out, I decided which one was more. Which one's more? 8. And we know from our class, what do we do when it's more? Circle it. 8 is more. 8 is greater than 5. All right. Let's look at the other type of problem you might see. If you see 2 numbers and then a number line, it wants you to show which one is more by finding the numbers on the number line. I do not need to draw a picture because it didn't give me space to draw a picture like the other one. It gave me my number line. Take a look at my example. I found 6 on the number line by drawing an arrow. I draw an arrow by doing a line and then just a little mark and a mark. Then I drew an arrow to the number 9, a line and a mark and a mark. Which one is more? Remember, the back of the number line is always more. 9 is more. I'm going to circle number 9. That is more. And I can cross out the 6 to mark it as less. My 9 is more. I'll circle it. My 6 is less. I'll cross it out. The last type of problem you might see is 2 numbers and a 10 frame. If you see 2 numbers in a 10 frame, they didn't give you a number line to connect the letters to. They didn't give you space to draw in. They want you to fill in the 10 frame. For this one, I could look at it and fill it in from the top, moving left to right, just like I read. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's this number here? 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! Those numbers are equal. Go ahead and draw an equal sign. A line and a line. Equal. And you can circle that answer so Miss Wilson can see it really well. 7 is equal to 7. Just like on my example here, I filled in the first 10 frame with 7 stars. Then I did the second number on the next 10 frame. 7. They are equal. All right, so those are the 3 problems you'll see. You'll see problems like this with just numbers that you'll have to draw. If you see just numbers, you'll have to draw. You'll see number problems with a number line. You'll have to find the numbers on the number line. And you'll see problems where you have to fill in the 10 frame and circle the one that is more. But if they're equal, write an equal sign and circle it. See how it looks like our arms when we do equal? Just like that. We are going to do some problems together first on the next video. Let's practice together.